Today, we will teach you how to upgrade your CCX phone from a USB flash drive. Prerequisite. Before you begin, there are two things you need to consider. Important. Check if there are any upgrade dependencies where the phone needs to first be upgraded to a specific software version before it can be upgraded to the very latest software version. Important. Format your USB flash drive as FAT32. Poly recommends that you use a USB 2.0 flash drive. If you've used the drive before, delete any previous files before you format it. Download the software. Go to the Poly support site, support.hp.com/s-n/poly. On the support site, navigate to your specific CCX model. Select the Software Releases tab. Download the latest software version for your phone's profile. Note, do not download a CAB file option for this process. Extract the software. Extract the contents of the zip file into a folder. Copy the contents of the UC software package to the root folder of the USB flash drive. You can use the entire contents of the software package or select files piecemeal. The minimum required configuration files are as follows. Update your phone. Insert the USB flash drive into a USB port on the phone. When prompted, enter your administrator password. Wait for the "Do you want to update from the USB drive?" prompt and select Update. Messages appear showing the upgrade status, downloading update, upgrade in progress, software upgrade successful. Wait several minutes for your device to reboot. Your phone should now be ready with the latest version of the CCX software. Troubleshooting. If the upgrade process fails to initiate, here are a few areas to look at. Double-check that the USB drive is properly formatted with the FAT32 file system. If the USB drive is confirmed to be formatted with FAT32 and still fails, try a lower capacity USB flash drive, as some of the higher capacity USB flash drives tend not to work. Confirm the USB flash drive has the appropriate software load, specific to the CCX model you're trying to upgrade. If the USB drive has the SIP ID for a different model, the upgrade will not start. Your phone should now be ready with the latest version of the CCX software.